In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can insert slicer and timeline in your pivot table. So pivot table we have discussed very well, but again, I am going to explain to you how you can make your pivot table. So first of all, you have to select any cell of your data. Maybe you can click here or here or here, anywhere. Then you have to go to the insert tab, and in the insert tab in tables group you will see the pivot table. Then you have to click on pivot, and it will ask you where you want to make your pivot table to the new worksheet, and this is fine. Just click OK, and we have a new worksheet. Here we are going to make the pivot table. So these are the four boxes which we have discussed earlier. So here I am going quickly. Country I will bring here, and for filters I'm going to apply filters on genre, on black and white, and one more column we will pick release date, right? And in values, as I have told you, if you have any fields or columns which you have the values, always it will come here. So gross revenue and the budget will come here. So now our pivot table is ready to work. Here see I have set three: genre, black and white, release date, to apply the filter. First of all, we will discuss black and white. If I will say I need all the movies of these countries which are black and white, so you have to click on black and white, and then you have to click OK. Then see, these are the countries, these are the gross revenue and the budget, and the movies are black and white. If I will say no, I need color, again you have to open it, click on color, and so on. So I will make it all here. Here in black and white we have only two options, black and white and color. Just see and check the genre. In genre, open this arrow. See, here we have many categories. If I will say I want to see action movies, the gross revenue and budget of the action movies, so you have to click on action and then click OK. So these are the countries, these are the revenue and budget of the action movies. Again, I have changed my mind. I say no, I need the adventure, so you have to click on adventure, right? If you want to select multiple categories, so you have to first click here, select multiple items. I say I need action, adventure, animation, and okay, we will pick one more here from maybe musical, right? Then you have to pick here. Okay, so these are the gross revenue and budget of our four items. Similarly, release date, right? I'm going to clear all this filter, so which I have told you earlier. This one clear, and in clear you have to click on clear filter. So our topic is how to insert slicer and timeline. See, this is time consuming. If I say open genre, again and again you have to open genre, and here we have, suppose 20 items. Sometimes we can have 30 items or 100 items or 200. Is time consuming. Even if you will write it in the search box, it is time consuming. So in order to save our time, we will insert the slicer. How we will insert the slicer? First of all, you have to click on your pivot table anywhere, here, anywhere. When you will click on the pivot table, you will see two new tabs: pivot table analyze and design tab. We are working on pivot table analyze. This is the filter group, so we are going to insert the slicer. When I will click on the insert slicer, I will show you why we are going to insert slicer. But before going to start, I will show you that, see, the third item, which is filter connections, this is not highlighted, means it is dim, it means it is not active. When we will work on these two, insert timeline and insert slicer, then I will show you that it will be active again. Okay, click here. When you will click on the insert slicer function, you will see all the fields which are the columns of our original source table. So here it will ask you in which column or which field we are going to apply the slicer. So here I am going to apply genre is the first, so click on genre and okay. So when I will click on genre, you will see all the items belongs to genre, all the musical, horror, romance, action, adventure, all movies are here, right? But again, you have to use this scroll bar, you have, if you want to find out some specific category. So when you will click on genre, you will see another tab which is called slicer. Sometimes the option will be options here, so do not worry, slicer and option both are same. Here in the buttons group, you will see column. Here you can increase or decrease the number of columns. If I will say I need 3 columns, so just make it like this. So all the categories belongs to genre, you can see now here, right? If I will say I need now action movies, so instead of opening genre and find out where is action, where is everything is here, just click on action. You will see the gross revenue and gross budget of the action movies. If I will say I want to see comedy, just click here. Horror, just click here. Same thing if I need some multiple categories, so what you have to do here, I will clear this filter. These are the 3 check marks, so just click on these 3 check marks, and I say action I need, comedy, horror, family. So see, now there are 4 items selected, and this is the gross revenue and budget of the 4 items. So in this way, if we will insert the insert slicer function, we can, everything is handy. You can select, and if you want to clear the filter, just click here. Now we are going to apply the filter or slicer or color black and white. So same thing, pivot table analyze, click here and insert slicer. In which columns you want to apply, I say black and white, click here. And in black and white we have only 2 options, so we do not want any more columns. One more thing here, see, with the help of these buttons, increase or decrease, you can increase or decrease the width and height of our slicer. And last is the release date. There is no need to click on the release date. If you want, you can click here, but you have to click on the pivot table. When you will click on the pivot table, then you can see pivot table analyze and design tabs. If suppose you are here, so it, you cannot see these 2 tabs. If you want to see the analyze and the design tab, then you have to click on the pivot table. So see, now again pivot table analyze, and now we are going to apply the insert timeline, and I will show you the function. Click on the insert timeline. There is only one field which has only a date or time, so click here and here. So we will see that release time is also there. Now by default in release date is a month here. If you will open this arrow, you will see we have years, quarters, months, dates. I will convert it to years, then it will be much more easy, right? Okay, now we have set the slicer and timeline of our these 3 filters which we have set here, these 3 fields. Now we do not want this, so we will drop it back to our field list. So you can see here, now we do not have these 3 fields. Okay, now it is very handy. But first of all, in order to work on these 3 slicer or timeline, we have to connect. So again, you have to go to the pivot table analyze tool. As I have told you, the third item was not highlighted at the time. It was not active. Now it is active. So click on it and you will see the check mark is here. It means all these 3 slicer and timeline, they are linked each other. It is compulsory that you have to put check mark here, otherwise you cannot perform a functions. Individually you can perform, but we want to link all these 3. So now what is the function of this? See here, if I will click on 2014, I say I need the all the movies which are released on 2014, just click here. And if I say now I want to see the action movies which are released on 2014, and the movies should be colored, so just click here. So this is the revenue and this is the budget. Now there is no need again click here 3 times, only one time. If I want to see the comedy movies of 2014 and all the movies should be colored, so click here. All these 3 are linked together. Our genre, our colors, our release date, these are linked together. Crime movies, click here, right? If I will go to 2015 and I will say the black and white movies, so click here. So see, this is the black and white movies, revenue, gross revenue and budget, right? If you want, you can clear your filter here. If you want to select multiple items of 2015 action movies, right, documentary, drama, fantasy, comedy, whatever, so just click here and it will show you the result. So with the help of these slicer and timeline, we can make our work easy. In the next video I will show you how you can make the graph, and when you will work on these slicer or timeline, the graph will also change. Meanwhile, practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.